Hello and welcome back. My name is Amir and this is puzzle number 13 on the Project Euler series. So let's get to the puzzle and see what we are facing for today. Work out the first 10 digits of the sum of the following 150 digit numbers. Wow. So we have like 100 rows and each row is a 50 digit number. So I can do it in two ways. One way is using the big int and just add the numbers. And the other one, which is the old way, is that I just add these ones, the ones, and whatever the value is, use it for adding these ones and so forth and so on, as we did in the school. First I will grab the data. Right. Right, so this is our numbers. And I will split them by a new line first. So in this method I will grab these numbers, the ones, I will add them, and I will get to a number like 285, for example. I will keep the 5, I will add all the 10s and add 28 to that, and go on and on and on until I get to the last one. So let's do that. So this is me getting the data, trim it, split it to get an array of these numbers, and I will reverse it so that I can work from ones all the way down and then map each one of these to a number so that I can work with them. Then I will do the summation like this. This is the numbers array that we had here, and for each of these rows that I get here, I will split them by nothing, so this is an array of items, and I will reverse it, so the ones is my first number, and I will go up and then map each of them to a number. So then I have the result, which is an array in this size plus 1, because when I'm adding all these numbers there might be a carrier that should be added to the bottom. That's why I needed plus 1 here. Then I have a double for loop going all the way in the columns, and for each column I will add the item in the rows. I will get to a sum, and if that sum is bigger than 10, which usually is the case, then I will keep the remainder here and the carrier will go to the next column and will be added to the next ones. After the for loop is done, the result on the last item, which I added here, will be the final carrier, which is the sum. And then I will get the result, reverse it and join it and return it. So yeah, let's run it. Of course, I need to call the function first. I am getting this. I need to join it like this. So this is my number. And I believe this is the correct one. So I need to take the first 10 numbers of this. So I am getting the first 10 numbers. Right. So this was method 1. I believe this is the correct number. And for the method 2, I can use the built-in big int, and that is fine. So I would say so. Yeah, this is much more simpler, but this is much more, thorough and old way, so to say. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you find it interesting, and see you in the next video then.